My name is James Blackburn. I live and work in the American Southwest. As a result, I have the good fortune to be able to travel to a variety of beautiful locations. As a professional filmmaker, I document my life through video adventures and I share them with the world. Stay tuned as I travel through the world of movies and the beautiful outdoors. Thanks for watching the James Blackburn Experience.
Next up was a hike and some kayaking soon afterwards. The hike through the forest was nice and the shade felt great. We would follow this trail down to an actual river for some kayaking. This was going to be great. We got our kayaks and we were on our way. We had about 90 minutes to explore before we needed to return the kayaks. That was plenty of time to explore this beautiful river, which was lined with forest on each side. Absolutely beautiful. There was some wildlife along the way as well.
Oh, that's a crane of some sort, huh? Oh, like a sandhill crane or something.
Heron?
A blue heron, yeah. You might be right. How awesome is that?
Then we discovered a rope swing and watched somebody fly out into the water. Looks like a lot of fun. I can tell you, I wanted to try this so bad. But as a person who's a little older, I decided it wasn't in my best interest to try it at this time. This is the oldest I've ever been, so I'm still getting used to it. However, that did not stop Aaron from climbing up there and swinging way out in the river. And I captured it in slow motion. Here you go. After that, we decided to pull up on a beach on an island and take a nice long break. The scenery was amazing, and we really enjoyed being here. Relaxing is half the fun of being in nature, so relax we shall. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember, folks, life is beautiful if you know where to look. Keep your eyes, your heart, and your mind open. It just might lead you somewhere special. Thank you for watching the James Blackburn Experience. Please check out my channel for over 1,000 additional video adventures.